completely free open source photo editing software, aka the best free alternative for Photoshop. But when you open Gimp for the first time, yeah, it looked like shit, and you end up paying for Photoshop for that beautiful UI. But not anymore, because your boy Happy is here to help you make your Gimp look 100 times better from this to this. So let's go. The first step is downloading PhotoGimp plugin from GitHub. The link is in the description. Download the zip file and open it. Go to the Gimp PhotoGimp master file. Then go to .war. Go to app. Go to org.gimp.org. Config Gimp. And here we have a folder called 2.10, and we need that. Just copy that folder and paste it in this location. So here, paste it and replace. And as you do that, now if you restart Gimp, we have a new splash screen, as you can see, and boom, your Gimp is now 100 times better. But we can improve more. Next is to change that splash screen to Photoshop splash screen, because why not? You can download the splash screen from my description. Just copy that splash screen. I just copy it and paste it in this location. There's already a picture called splash.png. Just delete it and paste ours. And now if you open the Gimp, and you can see the splash screen, our new splash screen. Now let's change the logo of Gimp, because it looks like what is that? Just a crap garbage. So for that you need a software called Resource Hacker. The link is in my description. Download that software, install it, and if you open that, here you can see the interface. Click File, Open, and go to this location. Then click on Gimp 2.10.exe, open, and here click on Ctrl R. Then click on Open File with New Icon, and the ICO file is in my description. Download that logo ICO file and double click and replace. Now click on Ctrl Save to save that file. Now you see nothing has changed. Why? Because you have to restart your computer. Now to change this ugly logo, right click on this Gimp icon, then right click again, go to Properties, then click on Change icon and click on Browse. Click on that logo.ico, then click on OK and apply. OK. And now you can see the logo has changed. Also there, let's change the name for Photoshop, because why not? Again, so I'll change it Photoshop, click on apply and OK. And now to change it from the start menu, right click on that and more, then click on open file location. Here right click, go to properties, then click on change icon and click on that Photoshop logo, and in the general tab, as usual, rename it to Photoshop and click enter. And now we have the Photoshop. Here you go, our brand new Photoshop. See, but when I open it, it shows as a Photoshop and it looks like Photoshop, but it's not. It's our Gimp. Now let's make it more like Photoshop. For that, go to Edit, Preferences, and in there go to Icon theme. Here click on Symbolic High Contrast, because that's what Photoshop has. And here change the icon size to medium. Now let's go to the toolbar option, then click uncheck the use group tools. Click on all of these, then scroll down and check all of these options. Click OK. If you come here and drag it like this, then you can have ungroup tools like Photoshop. I open Photoshop here and see right off the bat we notice something. That is, Photoshop has this beautiful black plain background, but here Gimp has this grey background with its logo. It's not what we want, right? So for that, you need to download the Photoshop theme. Again, the link is in the description. Go to that and unzip it. Then click on that, copy all of that folders and paste them right here. And now let's go to Gimp, restart it. So here's our Gimp, then Photoshop, then I'll go to Edit, Preferences, then Themes. Here you can see all of our Photoshop themes, so you can check whichever you like. See, I checked CS6 black one, then click OK. And now if you see, it looks much better. And there you go. You got yourself a much better looking Photoshop like Gimp for free. But most importantly, you have to have a much better workspace to work with so that you can be productive. To set up your Gimp workspace like a pro, click on this video. I'll see you there.